Today, I'm turning a normal iPhone into a scary monster. First, I separate the iPhone from the background using the pen tool. Then, I take an image of Venom and remove most parts of the face. I only keep the mouth and teeth. Then, use the puppet warp tool to tilt and pose the phone. Next, I place the mouth on the phone and use the puppet warp tool to move and bend it into the correct position. Then, I create a hue and saturation adjustment layer to match the colors of the phone and the mouth, so they look like one object. Next, I split the iPhone into two parts. I use the warp tool on each part to make the mouth opening look more real. Then, I create a solid color layer using the phone's body color and change the blend mode to difference to help match the lighting. After that, I add some shadows around the mouth to create depth. I also add a few highlights to make the mouth look more realistic. Next, I bring another image of Venom and cut out the tongue using the pen tool. Then, I use transform and puppet warp to place the tongue in the right position and shape. After that, I add two eyes and place them on the camera lenses of the phone. Next, I add a dark background and create some shadows to make the scene more dramatic. Then, I paint blood on the teeth using a brush. After that, I add a blood texture image and change the blend mode to color burn. I repeat this step again with another blood image to make the effect stronger. Then, I add shadows to the dripping blood so it looks more realistic. Next, I paint some blood on the tongue. After that, I add more shadows on the teeth. Then, I add more blood around the mouth and also place some blood on the floor. Next, I add a few highlights and brightness adjustments to improve the lighting. Finally, I open Adobe Camera Raw and make the final color and lighting adjustments to complete the horror effect. And there you have it, the scary iPhone. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit that like button and comment what I should turn into a monster next. And if you enjoy my content, make sure to subscribe to LeanFX. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe.